Hi, I'm David Robertson, President of U.S. Drone Soccer Association. We're really proud to be here in Atlanta and appreciate Sports DeKalb supporting our U.S. Drone Soccer 2026 District 5 Championship. The winners of this championship are invited to our national championship. They'll be the top 24 teams in the United States who all gather at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University to determine Team USA, who will then represent the United States on the international play.
Georgia Soccer League, making history now, building future engineers while we're taking a bow. Every flight is a lesson, every match is a test, learning teamwork and technology while competing our best.
First to score wins this set. All right, we're going to start in 3, 2, 1. There you go. All right, we have 5 minutes to regroup. 5 minutes to regroup. See you back in a moment.
From the First Georgia Drone Soccer League, one of our teams, College Park Sonic Swarm. Compliments of Councilwoman Tracy Arnold, who started the team in College Park, the First Drone Soccer team. Here is their coach, Billy.
D. Haiti, pleasure to meet y'all. This is my first season. It's a pleasure to be here. Exciting. College Park Swarm, we're looking to do some good things. So far, so good. Some good things that we see now. I'm going to introduce the team. We got Oliver. Jessica. What should talk about?
John Muir. Jari. Jaria.
Captain.
Our captain is...
Tell them about it. Talk about it.
Well, being a captain isn't too easy. You have to constantly manage everything, but I'd say in the end, it's always worth it to be for the experience of everything that you get.
College Park Sonic Swarm.
3, 2, 1.
Best cameraman ever. Gets every single shot.
Appreciate you, bro.
Angle, all of it.
Salute. Thank you.
Like, I've seen you up there.
I'm Brian Nustry, teaching Moody High School, and this is our first year competing, and we're just really excited to get this started at our school and trying to get more kids involved. And it's a first year experience, and we've really enjoyed being here at this tournament.
We came up from Coffee County, Douglas, Georgia, and we've been playing for 2-3 weeks, and we got third place.
We got second place. We were the first seed. We should have got first. So, one at a time. One at a time. We got second place. Should have got first seed. Come Daytona, we're gonna win the whole thing. We're gonna go international, and then y'all gonna see us on the news.
Yep. Hashtag stop cheating.
We came up from Alabama Aerospace Aviation High School. We started our team, a brand new team that we started, honestly, like 3 weeks ago. We just got new drones about a month ago. Super proud of them. Got second place in districts, got first place in nationals. I couldn't be any more proud of them. And now we're going to nationals. Down to Daytona.
Round of applause for Alabama Aviation Aerospace High School.
Thank you, Sports Decap, for sponsoring this.
Yep. Thank you, Sports Decap.
It's been an amazing event. All the teams are wonderful, great sportsmanship. It's a great thing, a great event to be a part of as well.
Yeah, very exciting event. It's fast paced. It is a lot to keep up, and I love the pace of it. It's very exciting. So again, enjoyed everything about it today. All right.
Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, Alabama Aerospace Aviation. You know, we're coming in hot. Yeah, first place. See you in Daytona Beach, nice and sunny with the Dolphins.